I've been stuck in Lagos traffic for what feels like forever on my way to the studio. And did you know that the technology nowadays is just crazy? I can't do first. But did you know that you can make a beat rather, write a song, mix, master if you know what you're doing, all on your mobile device. You can do literally everything. Enough talk, let me just show you how to do that. So there's this app, a free app on your phone is called BandLab. BandLab is the app that allows you to do all this magic I just mentioned. And if you still don't understand what I'm saying, if you're still doubting, let me show you how it works. So what I want to do is first of all check the kind of sounds that they have. Let me come to loops and search for like a nice loop that we can use to make an Amapiano beat. So yes, it's going to be like how to make an Amapiano beat on your phone. So yeah, let's go. Wow. Wow. I like how clean. Let me add this to the favorite. I like that. I like how clean it sounds, I didn't expect it at all to sound like this, but it's so clean. The samples are so rich. Ooh! Yo, trust me, we can always come here to like select samples and make your beats. And then the crazy thing is, they even have a DAW. Okay, yeah, we still get. They even have the one that works on your system that you can actually take to the studio to like finish properly if that's what you want to do. You start looking all good. Okay, let me play. Let me try to come to the tempo. What's tempo? Yeah, so when you're trying to make an hour piano, any tempo from about one, let's say 111. I like that. Look for a shaker. Amapiano. Get me ready. What? So the good thing for me about this will have to be because when I'm on tour and I want to make beats, sometimes you have an idea of something that you want to do. You don't want to be waiting to get into a place that has studio, everything before you be able to do it. Yeah, so let me put like a vinyl, a noise under it. One more reverb on the guitar. Yes. Compressor, let the compressor keep everything even. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so with all these that I have right now, I think I'm about to get into the studio and I'll see you in the studio. Let's go add some drums and other elements.
Yeah, welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. It's still your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy. Remember the beats that we started on the phone? Another beautiful thing I was telling you guys in the car. Remember how I said you can always log in with the same email that you used to create your account over the phone. You can use the same email to open on your computer, on your browser, and use BandLab for free. And the good thing is BandLab does not keep you out of your favorite sounds that you like to use. You can still use them. You can still bring them into the store. Work directly from here. Let me show you what I mean. So remember the stuff that we came up with earlier, this one. All the sounds in this app, they are all royalty-free samples. It means you can use them and use them and use them without, getting flagged anywhere. Yeah, so let me bring you one of my pre-made samples. Let's go. And the creativity with this thing is unlimited. Let's try this reverser. So yeah, you see that? So another good thing we can do is we can always adjust how we sound. We can always change what we're listening to. So we can always change the key. I think I like that one. I think I like the piano sound. So let's record it and then maybe we can change it afterwards. 2, 3, go. Nice thing. It adds a little bit of swing to it so that it doesn't sound too robotic when you quantize. I like that. Yeah, so let's try to record something that we can have like vocal. So let me know in the comment section if you want us to have a series of this. So I'm going to go from making a beat to recording the song to mixing the song properly, you know, like a full structured song, to mastering the song with this software. So let me know if it works for you. Let me know if you're interested in something like that. So let's try to record this and let's see what we can get. Yes, soaked it, like I like to say, soaked it in reverb. And the reverb, the reverb we're using is from, yo bro, I love this reverb like crazy. So I like to mix it, so I'm using the spring reverb and the studio reverb together. It helps me to make the decay time a little longer. Let's hear with the instrument. Yeah, sounds like heaven. So I need like another drum loop with hi-hats and stuff. I found this house clicker preset. Let's see. Yes, so let's look for an Amapiano kick. Let's look for one of the kicks here. Let's use it as our Amapiano kick. And the beautiful thing is, I don't even have to finish this beat here. I could take it and continue on my phone and start doing things. I want to get an artist into the studio, or probably I'll write something to this and record it, and that will be my part 2 of this video. So I want to take you on a journey from this to making to recording. I'm going to record on my phone, from this to recording to mixing the song to mastering the song, all with your stock plugin, all with everything that comes within BandLab. So yes, let me know if there's something you want me to touch on. inspiration is flowing. This is key for us as musicians. When you have an inspiration, you have an idea to put something down, you put it down quickly. This is where this band lab shines really well when it comes to putting idea down. I'm definitely going to do a part 2 of this to show you how I'm going to record it with my headphones, with my mouthpiece and everything, and how I'm going to mix it that you will be able to hear at the end of the episode. So yes, like, subscribe, try out BandLab. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know how well you think you can use it. So yes, and I'll see you in the next class. Peace.